Urban Anglers tournament this morning. Right. The old boat.
I think with a bluegill bait or a shad bait, that is a better tail to have anyways, because if you look at them when they come out to you, you know, they're
Here you go, Kirk.
Oh, thanks.
A couple of these guys.
All right, really appreciate it.
No problem, dude.
Yeah.
Happy to donate. Always. Thanks for doing it. And C3, right, was the
C3.
Just want to make sure I got it right because I don't want to turn the wrong
Yeah, it's
go.
just the letter C and the number 3.
What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Morning,
Good to see you, dude.
See you.
Yeah, yeah.
You have an answer?
All right, I'll see you out there. Yep, yep. What's up?
I got the ringer here on my.
Woohoo!
I saw this guy last time.
What's up, guys? Lagoon Tourney on the old boat. What up? You know, Carlos. We're on the old boat this morning. It's just a small vessel tournament for urban anglers. And we're gonna try to find some topwater right away. We're out here early. I got a better start today and see what we can do. We're just waiting, guys, for the 7 p.m. or p.m. 7 a.m. It's 6:56. We're like, we got blow-ups going off here and there. We're like, oh man, waiting to cast. Oh, right there. I don't know if you saw that on camera. So we're waiting. We got 4 minutes. I'll tell you when line's in. Sit there and watch the clock. All right, line's in, guys. 7 a.m. for the urban angler. Let's go. Good luck, bro. Get them. Oh, all right. Got the deep diver, guys. Yeah, dude, all what's going on. Probably Carolina rig, old school. I don't want to catch his. Ooh, that's a good bass right there. I don't want to catch that dude's line like freaking crankfish. Yeah? Yeah, let's go. There we go. Oh. Yeah, just play them. It's a nice chunk. Oh, it's a real good one. Ready? Once he comes up, I'm gonna smash him. Bam, baby. Very nice. That's that rig, huh? Is that rig? All right, cool. Oh, yeah, 15 and a quarter. Yeah, guys, on the board. Look at that beauty. Freaking chunk city. He's only 15 and a quarter, but he's over 2 pounds because he's so fat. Yeah. Nice one, dude. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a big one. I freaking love that rig, bro. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my. All right, lift him up. And I'm like, oh. There you go. Another good one. They love that, dude. That's a long one too. Let's go. That's a good one, dude. Oh, I think they like that. That's surely gonna be. Ooh, there's a good one. 18. Nice 2-pounder. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice, a good fish too. Beauty. Nice 3-pounder right there, guys. Let's go. Nice job. Gosh, bass are so picky. Oh, I got hit. He hit the bubble. I think we're done, huh? 12:30. See, now it's 12:30. We're both gonna catch 5-pounders right now.
The second winner of that is Steve Pace. Steve. Okay. Steve's gonna get a mystery tackle box, and this is from Mike Stout. Mike,
Yep.
Mike donated these. So big thanks to Mike out there. Really appreciate it. Literally my first cast, drop shot, 40 feet, got bit, and then that's what gave me the confidence to stick with what I was doing on the drop shot. And I was here for practice yesterday too. Couldn't get a bite. I mean, just got little small ones like that. And fishing the east end right here, 15 feet, got another one 15 feet. And then the other one came about 25 feet, so it's all one drop shot. Nice. So deeper than. Yeah, a little deeper. Carlo, Chacon.
Medium bump.
Carlo, second place. Take a photo up with that. Yeah, leave it for me. I'll give you the real plaque.
I know, right? It's like, don't think you can come fish on me and catch.
Carlo's had 2 bass for 33¼ inches. Nice.
Woo.
So how you do it, Carlo?
Texas right in the weeds. Shocking. Find the alleys and probably go there.
Yeah, it sounds like the guys that are getting the bigger bass were getting them in the weeds. Deep?
Yeah.
Wow.
25, 30.
Oh, 25 feet.
25,
Wow.
25 feet.
I got caught.
No problem, man.
Ooh, let's go.
Jeff. Jeff. Hey, this one's from Mike Stout, Bass Raider, right?
Yes, sir.
So you guys all follow him on Instagram.
Thanks,
Woo.
I like your videos, brother.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate it.
Best photos in
When are you
town.
gonna start having the boys under the tournament?
But if you throw jigs, only throw Boondock jigs. All right.
You're welcome.
Paid actor.
Yeah, right. Good morning. We're at the lower lake here. Not one person here. Sunday, or maybe 2 people, but got a special guest with me. Nice and cool this morning for the first time in a while. All right. We're on the boat, and I have someone with me that you guys might remember from YouTube a little bit. He used to post a lot, but
What's going on?
you know, Drew, but he's committed lately to the swim bait game, pretty much 100%.
Yeah, like I'd say I'm probably throwing big baits like 95% of the time.
So we're gonna throw some swim baits out here. You know, hopefully you're gonna see this clip. That means we caught fish.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try our best. So
We're gonna have some fun.
yes, finally
It's gonna
fishing
be a great
together.
day.
Yeah, all right. See ya. Boy, does that swim nice though.
But if you're ever like when the fish are on sticks up shallow,
Okay.
that is the best bait ever.
Yeah, that's exactly. Oh, I got one. I got one on the UFO. Yep. Right here to my right. Second cast, dude.
Take him down. Oh, this and that, dude.
I don't even know if I'm recording. It's a good one.
Oh, dude. Was I recording?
Got a new toy here, guys. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, I got hit on it right away, second cast. So pretty sweet though, little UFO. Yeah, it is. Actually, it wasn't too bad though.
The UFO with Bubba. With the big shell catcher, which is like a small one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he's got the factory working on it right now.
Good.
He hasn't had him for like 2 years.
Yeah.
The dude won and it just goes boom.
Bam. All right, so we have a whole school of bass under us right now. Oh, I'm getting bit.
Oh, get out of here.
Let's go, baby. That's a good one. Luckily, I got the.
Oh, dude, it's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. Let's go, baby. That net. Woo!
Sorry.
Thanks, dude.
I had my bait in one, or my rod in one hand.
Woo! It's a
Good one,
chunko.
dude. What's that, like a 4-pounder?
On the fishing bait. on the motor oil shaky head worm. Just got this. Let's go. Thanks for the net job, bro. Appreciate it. Turn the live on. All right. Woo. That's a beauty, guys. So I gotta admit, we were live scoping a little bit. I was showing Drew the live scope, and it just so happened a bunch of bass came through when I had it down there, and they just came up and smoked the fish and worm here, guys. Jeez. Holy crap.
Yeah, let me get a picture.
Yeah. Dude, check it out, guys, on the fish and I can't say it. Motor oil worm. The shaky head. A little shaky head action. Haven't caught a shaky head fish in a while. Whew. Dang. All right, guys, is this thing even going? It is. Yes.
So, was that the fish you were on?
You know what? I saw a big fish coming in, and I dropped down, but then there was like three. It was a school of them. It was like blob, blob, blob. I couldn't see my bait though, but I knew I was in the right place, and I just kept working, and I just felt the dink, you know. Oh, came off. All right. Pretty one. God, it's a healthy fish. It's so nice compared to the upper lake. It's only 18.
Oh, dude, that's a good one.
It's just so fat. Just your standard 3.4 right there. Beautiful goon bass. Just for a little bit longer. Later. And unfortunately, a little bit after that, the trolling motor just stopped working. So it's in the shop now. I got a little time off the water with the big boat until I get that back. But back to this day, hey, if you haven't thrown the shaky head, try it out. Something I hadn't thrown in a while, and obviously caught a real nice one on it. But yeah, give it a try sometime.